Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in world sentiment, with a score of plus 0.15 and momentum at plus 0.25, which is significantly above the historical baseline. This indicates a rising optimism that's not just a blip, it's backed by 19 semantic clusters capturing diverse perspectives. The API returns a detailed breakdown of sentiment, highlighting trends and shifts that can inform your strategies. Imagine you're building a news aggregator that adjusts content based on sentiment shifts. This data can help you deliver timely, relevant articles to your users, enhancing engagement and user experience. For detailed implementation, check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this data to create something impactful.